Looking to turn your online hustle into big bucks? Well, get ready because I'm about to spill the beans on how you can leverage AI tools to level up your earnings. Let's dive right in. Picture this. You've got an AI sidekick working alongside you 24/7, supercharging your online game. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to big bucks. AI tools are the ultimate secret sauce that can take your online presence from meh to marvelous. They analyze data, uncover hidden trends, and provide invaluable insights to skyrocket your success. But hold up, it's not just a pipe dream. Countless individuals have already cashed in on the AI revolution. Take Sarah, for instance. She used AI-powered marketing tools to target her ideal audience and quadrupled her online sales in just 1 month. Ready to make it rain with AI tools? Here are 3 tips to get you started. Find the perfect AI wingman. Explore AI platforms that suit your niche. Look for features like automated data analysis, personalized recommendations, and smart content creation to skyrocket your online presence. Data is your superpower. AI tools turn numbers into gold. Dive into data insights, uncover your audience's preferences, and optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Embrace the automation revolution. Time is money, my friends. AI tools automate repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, creating killer content and growing your online empire. So, my buddies, it's time to unlock your full earning potential. Embrace the AI revolution, level up your online game, and let those big bucks roll in. Keep an eye out for more mind-blowing tips and success stories. You've got this. Subscribe to Cash Creators to unleash your online income potential.